In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bin dates for custom date levels in Tableau. This task is a great way to segment your data into meaningful time periods, allowing you to better analyze patterns and trends. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If it's your first time using this application, you might find that it's a very versatile tool for visual data representation. Once your Tableau public is up and running, proceed to access your worksheet. This is where all the magic happens, and you can start by setting up your data environment for the task ahead. Next, let's move forward by dragging the state field into the filters pane. This allows you to filter your data within specific states you choose, providing a more focused data set for your analysis. Filtering data effectively is crucial for obtaining clearer insights. After you've managed your filters, look for the drop-down arrow on the panel. Click on it and select Create Calculated Field. Calculated fields in Tableau are incredibly powerful and enable you to perform various operations on your data to create new dimensions or measures. Now, when creating your calculated field, give it a name as you prefer. This naming is important because it helps you identify your calculated field easily later on. Type your desired query in the field and hit OK once you've double-checked it. The functionality of calculated fields opens up many possibilities for personalizing your data view according to your analysis requirements. With your calculated field ready, right-click on it. From the context menu, go to Create and select Bins. Bins are very useful when you need to categorize your data into defined intervals. Name your set of bins and define the size of these bins. Determining an appropriate bin size is key. It should balance between too detailed and too broad. Once you have entered the size, hit OK. Drag your newly created field with bins to the columns shelf. This will structure your data accordingly on the columns of your worksheet, laying the groundwork for visualization. Let's add another dimension to your analysis by taking profit and dragging it to the rows shelf. Then click on its drop-down menu, navigate to Measure, and select Average. Opting for the average will give you a general sense of profit performance across the bins you've created. Finally, to add an additional layer of understanding to your visualization, drag the state field onto the color shelf. This will color code the data by state, enhancing the depth of your visual data story. And there you have it. By organizing your data through custom date bins in Tableau, you've taken a meaningful step toward uncovering insights and trends within your data set. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to harness the full potential of Tableau for your data analysis needs. Enjoy exploring your data.